Huawei might not be done yet with its Mate 80 lineup, and now there's a fresh twist that could excite mobile gamers. A new leak suggests that the company is still working on a dedicated gaming smartphone, even after launching the Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max Wind Edition. At first, many people believed that this Wind Edition device was actually the long-rumored gaming model possibly carrying the GTS name, but now, that assumption seems to be wrong. According to a reliable tipster, the Wind Edition is a completely different product, and Huawei still has another phone in development, specifically designed for gaming. This changes the whole picture. For months, the term GTS has been floating around in leaks and rumors related to Huawei. Even though the company has never officially confirmed it, the name keeps coming back again and again. That alone suggests that something real is in the works. And now, with new information pointing toward a separate gaming-focused device, it feels like the mystery is getting closer to being solved. So what exactly can we expect from this rumored gaming phone? Based on the early details, Huawei is likely focusing on performance and gaming experience above everything else. The phone is expected to come with a powerful chipset, which means faster speeds, smoother gameplay, and better handling of heavy games. This is important because modern mobile games are becoming more demanding, and not every phone can handle them properly. Another key feature could be a high refresh rate display. This would make animations and gameplay look much smoother, especially in fast-paced games like shooters or racing titles. A higher refresh rate also improves responsiveness, which can give players a slight edge during competitive gaming. Cooling is another big factor in gaming phones, and Huawei seems to be paying attention to that as well. The new device is rumored to include improved heat dissipation technology. This means the phone can stay cooler even during long gaming sessions, preventing performance drops caused by overheating. Interestingly, the phone might also have a compact design. That's a bit unusual because many gaming phones are large and bulky. If Huawei manages to keep the size smaller while still delivering high performance, it could make the device more comfortable to hold and use for long periods. Now, let's go back to the confusion around the GTS name. Some earlier reports suggested that the Wind Edition model was actually the GTS device. But with this new information, it seems Huawei has separated the two. The Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max Wind Edition focuses more on performance and unique features like its cooling system and advanced memory tech, while the rumored GTS phone could be a fully dedicated gaming device. This also explains why the GTS name was missing from Huawei's recent launch event. If the company is still developing the device, it makes sense that they would hold it back for a bigger reveal later. At this point, the exact name of the gaming phone is still unknown. It could be called Mate 80 GTS, or Huawei might surprise everyone with a completely different branding. Either way, the idea of a gaming-focused Huawei phone is becoming more and more real. Meanwhile, the Wind Edition is already preparing to hit the market. It will soon be available for purchase, and reservations have already started through official channels. So while gamers wait for the mysterious new device, there's still something new from Huawei to look at right now. Overall, Huawei seems to be expanding its strategy. Instead of just releasing standard flagship phones, the company might be exploring more specialized devices. A dedicated gaming smartphone would allow Huawei to compete in a space that's growing quickly, especially as mobile gaming becomes more popular worldwide. For now, everything is still based on leaks and early reports, so nothing is fully confirmed. But one thing is clear, Huawei isn't done experimenting, and the Mate 80 series might have one more surprise left. If this gaming phone does launch in the coming months, it could become one of the most interesting devices in Huawei's lineup. And for gamers, that's definitely something worth waiting for.